Okay, we are in January 2024 on uh, the 5th. It's a Friday today at 4:10 p.m. We are in the house of Aamir Suleiman. The claim number is I4F3067, and we are here to show you again because we was here last time doing the temp repair on the rear side, but we don't want to do it on the front side. But I think the Mr. Adjuster Mr. Adjuster asked to so we can see, and that's before they repair this shingle, and we can see all the granules after that repair was done because the shingle is old. And then right now we're gonna perform this repair on this shingle. This is the damaged shingle, and if you can see, that's the rear slope of the house where the panel is, so you can have a reference, because last time you were saying like it was not on the right house. And then this is the front slope right there. This is the road. That's the Prosperity Road right there. That's the sign. And then this is the front slope, as you can see. This is the other elevation, the rear, where the solar panel is right here. So you can see that's the house for Aamir Suleiman. And that's the tools we're gonna use today, because that's the snake bar, and that's the shingle we're gonna try to repair, so you can see if it's possible to get repaired. If we're seeing right now, we don't have no creases on the shingle. You can pass this side. You can go on this side. If we can see right now, right here, we don't have no creases, right? We don't have no granules. It's lost already, like only on this shingle, because when they try to repair this, you can see right here the granules, all of the granules, and now it's creating creases. And then also right here, you can see it right here and here, and that's the same thing gonna happen with this one today, because the shingle, it's already old and it's not possible to repair it. Stick with. If we can see right here, it's sealed, and I think someone put a caulk on it. See, and the shingle, like I'm trying to not damage this shingle right here. And if you see it, because there's a lot of caulking on this one. You see, it's a lot of caulking on this one, and I'm gonna show you how it's not possible to repair this roof. Okay, this part of the caulking, it was on that. And if you can see right here under this one, you can see the caulking, and now that mat is transferred. This is the new shingle into this old shingle right here, and then that's gonna trying to remove this, but anyway. It's not wait. And even like this shingle is not nailed because they couldn't nail it because of the I think they don't want to nail it on the same hole. Okay, we got this one nailed. Got the first nail. right now, this shingle, it's end right here. The shingle is ending right here. It's just two tabs. You gotta remove that thing.
Solo corte el otro. Porque el que hay reparación.
Okay, like we can see, whoever came and try to repair the shingle, and even it's not get repaired right, because you know, right now they just overlap the shingle to the over one, and I want to show you. You know, I gotta do the repair properly, because we cannot do it like the same they did it right here, because I don't want to mess up the roof assembly. And that's the thing I'm trying to say. This roof cannot be repaired, because like maybe it's easy to say repair that roof, but it's, you know, being a fit right here, that's the different story. And I'm just trying to show you like it's not possible. And if you can see it, like right now it's starting showing the creases is already creating, because the granule is already lost there. I removed this top here, and still I cannot remove it. Let's see why. See? Yeah, because it's still, like whoever did this repair, they just cut the shingle, like half of the shingle. And then still this shingle is see if you look. But take this nail out, because the thing, just remove this nail right here, and if we see the repair they did before, you're gonna see that's why, you know, when we do repair, you gotta do it right. And if we see this shingle, do you think this is a right repair when they did it before, because they just replaced it with incorrect shingle? Right now, if we can see the other way right here, how this one can fit, and this one here. And how this one can fit right here. And even if you rip this one, it's gonna be short. It's gonna be like this short. It's like it's almost 1 inch. It's gonna enough to cover it. And that's the way I say doing this type of repair. It's not gonna be a solution. And if you see these shingles, like, you know, because it's old, it's easily you can break it, because it's really old. And it's not only that, it's gonna create a lot of creases on the new shingle. The way I'm gonna do right now is just gonna do the emergency repair. I'm gonna install this shingle, like, you know, how you're saying. And it's not only about that, also about the overlap. We gotta check about that. And if you can see right here, when they did the repair, hold on, when we're gonna do the repair, you see the mat is transferred on the other shingle. See, it's the shingle. That's the new shingle. It's damaged. You see what's seated with all of this caulk right here, and even the nail is not. And then the other one right here, that's the repair before. And now if I install this shingle right here, let's see, and it's gonna come until here, and still it's not gonna be enough shingle. If we see it on this case, and then right here is not another shingle. And then if you will see the other one right here and this one, because when they try to do the repair, if you will see that this crease is already created, and then this other shingle, now the mat is exposed, the mat is exposure to the UV, and it's gonna get damaged premature. And it's not only that, when another storm is gonna come, because this old shingle, it's not gonna get sealed again because it's already old. And then when the wind's gonna come again, if it's another storm, and then it's gonna easily damage all of those shingles. The one on the new one, of course, it's not gonna be because it's a new seal on the new shingle, but on the old one, and it's not gonna get sealed. And if you seal it, it's gonna happen the same thing like it's happened right here. If you see this shingle, they put a caulk under it. If you see this caulk, it's under the shingle. But if you see, because a chemical comes inside the caulking, right now you see in the bubble right here. If you see all the bubbles right here coming, that's the same thing gonna happen with our repairs if we do our repairs. And that's why, you know, when it's a new shingle, of course, yeah, we can do the repair. But when it's old shingle like this, it's impossible to do the repair. I'm more than happy if I can do the repair, but like on this time, cannot. And literally, you can see, cannot do the repair. So, yeah. Then I'm gonna try to just do emergency repair on this one, so we can